Today, we're tackling a common issue in Windows 10 that drives many users up the wall. No audio output device is installed, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with the basics. Sometimes this error can be fixed with a simple restart. So go ahead and restart your computer to see if that resolves the issue. If not, let's move on to some more detailed troubleshooting steps. Check the audio settings. Right-click on the sound icon in your system tree and select Open Sound Settings. Ensure that the correct output device is selected on the Choose Your Output device. Sometimes the default device may have changed, and selecting the right one can fix the issue. Here's what it looks like. Make sure your speakers or headphones are selected here. If they are not listed, it's a sign we need to dig it a bit deeper. Now run the audio troubleshooter. Windows 10 comes with a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically find and fix problems. Go to settings, then on Windows, update and security, and click on troubleshoot. Find playing audio and click run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instruction and let Windows diagnose the problem. Step 3 is to check Device Manager. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controller section. If you see a yellow triangle next to your audio device, or if it's not listed at all, it could mean that there's a problem with your drivers. To fix this, right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will look for the latest driver and install them if available. Step 4. Reinstall audio drivers. If updating the driver doesn't work, try reinstalling it. In Device Manager, click on your audio device and select Uninstall Device. And try reinstalling it again. Now, next step is to verify audio service. Press Windows plus R, then type in services.msc and hit Enter. Find Windows Audio in the list and make sure it's running and set to automatic. If it's not running, right-click on it and select Start if it's not set to automatic. Right-click, select Properties and change the startup type. This ensures that the audio service is up and running as it should be. And those are the main steps to troubleshoot and fix the no audio output devices installed issue in Windows 10. If you've tried everything and still can't get audio, there might be a hardware issue or a deeper software problem that needs professional help. Thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you.